Good afternoon, guys. This is Johnny from Copy.ai. More premium videos that can make you a live breathing machine. I give videos that you can purchase for free here. Alright, most of this wisdom and knowledge were being purchased with a lot of money, so I'm giving you for free. It's the environment I'm building. So welcome to my channel. This is Johnny from Copy.ai. Alright, this is the videos I've done so far. So please do your best to update yourself and subscribe if you have not done that. All our returnees, I really value what you are giving us. I'm also bent to do more every day. Alright, so as I promised, I want to show us some copywriting AI tools. Yes, copywriting AI tools. But before that, okay, my last video, the Facebook complete ad generated, a lot of questions arise. People were like, wow, and I'm sure these tools, okay, are being on ground for like months. Okay, depend on how far you can dig deep. There are more. So the Facebook is there, the Facebook tip is there, as you can see it. Okay, it is there. It just depends on how far you can do your search. All right, how to convert your voice. Yes, people are making money from all these things. If you need an international account, go there, Canva hack, everything is there. Drop your review if you have anything to say. So today I want to show us how to use Copy.ai. Yes, Copy.ai is a massive tool for copywriters. Okay, it's a massive tool for copywriters. All right, so this is it. Copy.ai. I've already signed. Okay, if you are new, you gotta sign. All right, so you have to sign in. Okay, so let's just go to my own project. It's very easy to use. Okay, it's very easy to use. Now, once you register, just sign up with your email. Once you sign up with your email, we'll send you confirmation code or something like that. All right. So once you have signed in, you are going to be on a free plan. You are going to be on a free plan unless you want to go over. Don't worry, I will get their premium for you guys. All right. So, but for now, you are on their free plan, and this is massive. You know, as a copywriter, you must know how to persuade, convince your client, okay, to get some things done for you. So you must be able to write copy for clients, and copy are written words, okay, for taking actions. Copy are written words written for people to take action, either to buy a product, to click a link, or to register for a webinar. All right, so you must know how to write a copy as a copywriter. That was the first training I had. First thing I named when I was growing up in this digital world, 2019 there. Alright, so quickly you have to work around this. So the info base, what is there? That is just info. Okay, the info base about it, you can go there. How to use the info base. You don't need that one right now. Okay, this is an AI. So you can go to templates. Template shows you that what you need. You know, there's something we call prompt. We need prompt to use this thing effectively. Prompts are the words, the language that you're going to use. The AI, they are not human beings. Okay, you need to be specific when you are giving them tasks to do. You need to be specific. If you want AI to run an ad copy for you, you must be able to specify the kind of ads you want to run, the kind of product you are running for this AI to pick up. Okay, so that I will not give you something else. Okay, they are not El Shaddai, or else they die. All right, so look at this thing you can use. These are some of the templates, okay, that you can do here. Sales landing page. You want to create a landing page. You want to write about us for copywriter, for web designers. You want to generate a freestyle, okay, job description, case study overview, okay, case study program, project people, case study result statement. All right, video script. You need a video script, YouTube video description, a lot. YouTube channel description. A lot is embedded inside this. You can use as many as possible that you want. Okay, you can use the recent one I used recently is to write a testimonial, not even email, testimonial, just a normal testimonial, showcase the customer or testimonial. Yes, I use it to generate a testimony. Okay, you don't need anybody, you don't need people again, you don't need to beg people to generate testimonial for you. But it's the best when you see a normal testimonial from people. So I use this. All right. So once you click on it, it will tell you. Let's see this. Start a new project. All right. So the customer info. So you are going to supply the customer info, the customer name. If you don't need some of these things, customer info is the customer name and the description. Or they have maybe organized a class. I want to give review, or a product you want to get review. Okay, you can automatically generate review yourself here. Okay, the way we do it sometimes is for us to organize free classes. From that free classes, people generate review for us. I'll use that review to make sales. All right, so I would like to make it first person. I don't want third person. Third person means somebody is talking about somebody that buy product from your company. All right, so I want to use first person. First person, we direct it as someone is talking. First person. All right, so you are going to supply the customer name, description, customer background, bullet point of their background, how they get your course. Maybe they are afraid to get your course before, maybe they are broke before, and their success story. Okay, so even if you don't have anything, just put it like that. Write it in first person, share success story. Change this thing to, you are trying to so make it persuasive. All right, once you make persuasive, it will generate what you need for you. Wow, 7 minutes. I don't want this thing to belong to this extent. Now the main one I want to show us is this. Tools. Yes, tools. Let's look at these tools. You have a lot of tools you can use here. Okay, is it product description tools, digital ad copy? Okay, for copywriter, sales copy. You want to write a sales copy. Okay, attention, interest, desire. This is AIDA. If you're a copywriter, you should know what they call AIDA. Okay, pain agitated solution. They are forms of copywriting. All right, so what do you need? You want to gain their attention. You want to write a copy for a sale. Let's see how it goes. All right, you want to write a copy. The same thing you pass through that one, you are going to pass through it when you are writing this kind of thing. Okay, this is what I want to show us. Let's go back to that. Let's go back to these tools. You want to do a product description. You have a product you want to sell. What is your product called? Let's just say shoes. Okay, what does your product do? It enhances flexibility. Okay, it's durable. Cost friendly. Just write what you know about your product. Okay, you must know something about your product. All right, you can just say Adidas. Let me use Adidas shoe. Okay, so what pattern should they use? Friendly, luxury, persuasive. Okay, you want to persuade them to buy, so create content. Copy.ai is massive. Calm down. So I see Adidas are shoes which have been designed to provide you with the most comfortable experience. They are lightweight, flexible, and come in the right colors and are able to match your style. It is very common in the market these days to find various type of shoe. However, come manufacturer everything. Can you see? You can generate, you can make more. You can generate as much as possible that you want from these tools. Okay, look at a lot of things. Website copy. we want to do a website for people, they ask you to come and be the copywriter. You know what copywriter do now? Okay, we can do description, we can do website generator copy, you can do header. Web designer, you can create header, you can do a lot of things with blog tools, email letters. Okay, you are writing email, social media tools. What do you want to do that you will not see, or this is secret? AI has come to bless our lives. Birthday card. Okay, I even use this thing to generate my bio. Where did I do that several? To generate my bio. Testimonial writer. Can you see this is another one? Testimonial writer. It will write testimonial for you. Okay, testimonial writer. Let me see this. This one will generate testimonial for me. Okay, it's not generating testimonial for me. Okay, this is what I want to show us. What's this called? I used to generate bow, Facebook, headlines, everything like that. Startup tools. Okay, when you want to start up, we want to generate your brand vision, your motto, everything. Complete one that is not plagiarized. Okay, you can get it here. All right. So with these two brainstorming tools, with these tools, name generator. Okay, Amazon KDP should know what we call name generator. All right, your ideas. With these tools, we are good to go. You have the correct prompts that can give you what you need. Right, so I don't have problem. Most of my copies, I don't have problem. Whenever I need copies, I just come here to tell. It does not deplete our function. Okay, as a copywriter, you must be able to edit and do it yourself on your own. Don't base everything about you on AIs. Okay, you must be able to use your own, what you have learned so far, to do some editing with the result of the AI. I believe you have gained something from this AI. This is Copy.ai for copywriters. This is more than copywriters. Web designer. Okay, CEOs. This is what you need. You should learn how to use all this. I hope you have gained something. So don't just go like that. Click. Okay, I'm working on the premium so that you can have access to some things here. So click, comment below. Okay, if you have gained something, just type value. Okay, let them know that you have gained something. Let's this thing get to everyone. We need to make use of AI. They have been using it before it came to Nigeria. Okay, so don't think it is new all over the world. No. Okay, so let's spread it out. Okay, don't hoard this knowledge alone. I'm Johnny for Christ. See you guys in the next class. My next class is how to generate animated AIs. Okay, animated one, complete one. I've seen that people move faster when you want to describe a product, you want to advertise on Facebook. Your product moves faster when it is generated in a cartoon way. So I'm going to show us some AI that can do that for free for us in my next video. So if you need the next video, comment on it. Let me see if I see lots of people that need that video, I'm going to release it right now. See you guys later. Catch ya.